There, here we go. Okay, we had a really horrible hailstorm that started around 2:30 or so in the morning, up to baseball size hail. My Jeep dented, chipped, windshield shattered, sunroof shattered and broken, dents all throughout the car. Husband's car, windshield shattered, dents. Husband's rear window is completely gone. Dents in the holes in the speakers. The Rebecca's two vehicles, the Malibu that she doesn't drive, same thing. Rear window gone, windshield shattered, dents throughout everything. The car that she does drive has got holes in the windows, shattered windshield. The sunroof is shattered. Rear window is shattered. Even though it is one incident, we have, even though it is one incident, each vehicle, each claim has its own deductible. If you could please help us with meeting that deductible, I would really appreciate it. Sorry for having to ask, but thank you. Have a great day. Bye.